Welcome friends, my name's Amy with Aspire Zen with Amy Sullivan, and today we are cooking up delicious kitcheri. Kitcheri is a traditional Indian dish. It's also part of the traditional Indian healing system called Ayurveda, and it's a dish used to help cleanse, gently detoxify the body, and also balance the three energy systems of Ayurveda known as the Doshas. Kitcheri consists of a dahl or split mung bean, basmati rice, some delicious Indian spices, and then a little bit of ghee, which is clarified butter, to help kind of combine it all together. You can also add some seasonal veggies that are specific based upon your particular dosha. If you want to learn more about which dosha you are and which veggies to use, check out the link below this video. Today we're going to be cooking up our kitcheri in just a simple pot on the stove. You can also make it in a crock pot, which is a great option if you have to go off to the office. Regardless of which vessel you're using, the beginning stage is the same. It's going to start with blooming the spices in a pot on the stove. Let's get started, shall we?
Begin by soaking your dal overnight, then rinse it and the rice until the water runs clear. Next, heat a large pot over medium heat and add your ghee or your oil. Next, add the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and ground coriander. Give them a stir and let them cook until the seeds just start to pop. Toss in the ginger, the turmeric, the asafoetida, and a nice hefty pinch of salt. Sauté for a few more seconds, then add a splash of the water and stir to get any of the yummy flavor bits off the bottom. Add your rice and your mung beans into the pot, followed by the rest of the water. Give it a quick stir, then cover, crank the heat up to high to bring the whole thing to a boil. Then turn the heat back down to low and allow the kitcheri to simmer until all of the water has absorbed and it's created a nice thick porridge-like consistency. If you want to add vegetables to your kitcheri, add them about halfway through the cooking process, right around that 15 to 20 minute mark. Once the kitcheri is done, turn off the heat and you are ready to dive on in.
All right, time to eat. We're gonna top it with a little bit of fresh lime juice. Just squeeze it in there. And then some sprigs, teaspoon, tablespoon, depends on how much you like, of some fresh cilantro. Totally optional, but totally delicious in my opinion. And there you have it. Delicious, detoxifying, cleansing, satisfying, gonna keep you powered throughout your day kitcheri. Enjoy.